Hi everyone, welcome back to Login page. If you've forgotten your Medicare.gov password, don't worry. I'll guide you through the steps to reset it quickly and securely. Let's get started. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter Medicare.gov/account/forgot username password into the address bar to access the website. I added this website link in the description field. You can click from there. On the page that opens, enter your Medicare number from your Medicare card here. You must write your last name here. If your name includes a suffix such as junior, senior, or Haithrai, you should select the appropriate option in this field. If not, you can leave the default selection as none. You must enter your date of birth in the month/day/year format registered in your Medicare account. You can now click on the next. A question and answer section will appear on the next page. You must enter the answer to the secret question you set earlier when you created your account. Once you have passed this step, you will now be prompted to create your new password. And that's it! Resetting your Medicare password is simple and secure. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.